Hello my friend, in that video I'm gonna show you how to crop a video. Let's jump right into it. We are in Premiere Pro. I already prepared two sequences. With the first one we're gonna make just a simple crop that you can see right now at the bottom of the screen. I always crop out my bottom panel. And with the second video we're gonna turn horizontal video into square video, for example, if you want to post it on the Instagram. So with a simple crop, for example, we have the video of me playing on ukulele. Let's say I don't like the green stuff at the bottom. To crop it out, we need to go to Effects panel and write in the search crop. We apply crop effect on our video. You could do it or by drag and drop or by double click on it. And here we have 4 settings for the size from where we're gonna crop the video. And we have edge feather to adjust the feather of the crop. So it goes like this. In our case, we just put a bit on the bottom and try to never use the checkbox because it just makes no sense, since check this out what it's doing. Yeah. So in our case, if we want to crop out the bottom, we could make like this. We could add some feather and it would look nice, in my opinion. For the second option, we have the video, again of me. And let's say I would like to make it square to put it on the Instagram. So for that we go into the sequence settings and change the resolution from Full HD to square, just making it one by one. Okay, okay. And right now we have square video. We still could move our video inside. And also what we can do is, for example, animate it from here, create keyframe, and to make it like this. So it would be. Thank you for the watching, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, you could ask me in the comment section below. Cheers.